How to use Invideo tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about our beginner's tutorial on how to use Invideo. Invideo is a powerful online video editing platform that empowers you to create professional videos with ease. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, or a business owner, InVideo provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools to help you bring your video ideas to life. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps of using InVideo to edit and customize your videos. We'll cover topics such as importing your media, trimming and arranging clips, adding text and graphics, applying transitions and effects, and exporting your final video. So whether you're creating a video for social media, marketing campaigns, tutorial, or any other purpose, InVideo provides the tools and flexibility to make your videos stand out. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course go to their website, which is invideo.io. And right now this is where we are. Now to be able to use InVideo, we're first going to have to create our account. We're simply going to click on sign up for free over here, and we will be able to create our account and use InVideo absolutely for free. And over here, as you can see, you could either sign up with your Google or your Facebook account, or you could enter your full name over here, your email, and then your password over here. Now after signing up, you would be immediately redirected to this page over here, and then it's going to ask you some series of questions. As you can see, our first question is, what defines your role best? We have all of this option. We can simply select any of this option that we would like to use. For example, I am a YouTuber or an influencer. Click on continue, and now we could invite our teammates over here if ever we have any other teammates, but for us we're going to skip it for now. How did you heard about InVideo? We could say YouTube, or you could type in your answer over here, or use or choose from any of this option that is applicable to you. Now click on continue, and over here, what is your primary goal in using InVideo? You could say or choose any of this option that you would like to use, maybe produce content faster. Click on continue. And now we could choose which platform we will be creating our videos. We could say YouTube videos. And then after that, we could finally access and use InVideo's editing page. And this is their dashboard, by the way. We have our dashboard over here on the left side, projects, trash, and team members. And over here on the dashboard, we could see that we could create templates, AI text to video if you would like to use AI, stock media, and editor over here. Now we could create our first video by simply clicking this button over here, or clicking the create new over here on the top right. We could create templates, stock media, and editor. So for us, we're going to create editor. So we're going to go with landscape, and let's see what their editor page looks like. And let's explore. And as you can see, this is their editing page. Now as you can see, my browser is not fully compatible with video, and it will ask me to download Google Chrome for the best experience. Now, if you have Google Chrome, I suggest that you use your Google Chrome to be able to use InVideo properly and to be able to use it without any issues. But for me, we're going to stick with Opera for now. And as you can see, it will immediately ask you to drop your images or videos or your different media directly into this section right away. But you could also skip that for now. As you can see, you could still upload them by clicking or dropping your media over here on the left section or under the upload section over here. You could click on videos. By clicking on videos, you will be able to see different stock videos over here. For example, we could go with this one. Click on add as layer. And by doing this, you would be able to see this pop up over here wherein you can trim or choose specific sections of the video that you would like to have. For example, I would like to have 3-second video over here. Click on add, and let's see if we will be able to add. And just like that, we have our stock video over here. You could add more stock videos by simply clicking on click to add as layer or dragging it to our canvas just like this, and you will be able to add your video. As you can see here on our editing section, you can simply rearrange them by doing this, and you will be able to connect two different pieces together. Then you could play them just like this, and as you can see, the size of this video is different. So we could adjust this by simply dragging the corners over here, just like this, just like what I am doing right now. And just like that, you will be able to arrange them and enlarge them together. Now you could arrange them, or you could add some transitions if you want. Later on, I'm going to teach you how you would be able to do that. But right now, let's continue over here on the left side. Once again, you could also add some images if you would like. There's a lot of stock images over here, or you could simply upload your stock image or your own image in this upload section over here. There's also music over here. You have moods and genre over here that you could choose from, or you could search your music over here. There's also text over here wherein you could add heading and like typographies over here, different font collections and different options that you have over here depending on what style of video you're trying to create. So for example, we have this section over here. You can simply click this and we could put it on top. And as you can see, there seems to be a lot of different frame over here that are colliding with each other. So we're going to fix it a bit. We're going to align the different frames properly, just like this. And then when we play it, as you can see, we have our attachment or our video over here that we have just added in this section. Could align them once again. I think there's a mistake with alignment, and it's a bit confusing because we just added it and there's a lot of things happening. So we could simply remove them by simply, clicking them one by one and then deleting them by simply clicking on the delete button. You would be able to remove this and start from scratch because I think we have duplicated a lot of them in one go and it made a mistake. So we're going to try this one this time. Simply click it once so that you will avoid some duplication. Click on play and you will be able to see it on your video just like this. Now you could use and add any of this option that you are seeing right now. It's completely up to you. There are typography, minimalist, social media and CTA, Astons, trendy, and trendy. You could also choose the logo option over here. You could upload and drag and drop your logos over here if ever you have your own logo. You can also check out the colors in this section. You could change it to Ahoy, Asian Ethics, and all of these options that you are seeing right now, depending on what you would like to have. There's also elements over here that you could add to your video. You have stickers, shapes, overlays, mask, and mask. You can also click on templates, which would allow you to see different templates that are available in InVideo. As you can see here, we have general business video, interesting historical facts, and cool environmental facts over here, and all of these different templates that is available. We have intro, testimonials, offers, slideshow, ads, presentations, and many more. You could also add a blank scene by clicking this button over here. Now you could add and see different scenes over here. You could click view all scenes over here, which would allow you to see different scenes. As you can see right now, the different scenes we are seeing. You could navigate through your different videos by simply dragging the line over here just like this. You could change where you are in the video. Then you could add some voiceover. You could trim or split by clicking this. It will split two components into two sections. As you can see here, you could also split your videos if you would like, and this would allow you to trim or cut your videos. As you can see here, we were able to cut our videos. Then you could simply add whatever you would like to add in the middle, and you could also edit your layers over here if you would like. For example, our video, you can edit and make it go to the front. You could add animation. You could add position, effects, flip, loop, edit the speed, trim it, adjust the colors like the color scheme, make it fit, and you could also crop the video. And after editing your video, after doing whatever you need to do over here, after editing or adding the different videos, images, music, text, and other elements that you would like to add, you can simply export it by clicking this button over here, which would require you to have an upgraded version to export. So let's go check out our pricing or plans for this InVideo. As you can see, this is the different plans for InVideo. We have business and unlimited. For the business, which is $15 per month, you would be able to receive no watermark on videos, 60 HD video exports, 10i stock media, 1 million premium media, and 20 remove background on your different media or like your photos. You could use that feature to your different photos. You also have your unlimited option over here, which is $30 per month, which will allow you to have all of these features over here, like unlimited HD video export, 120 iStock media, and 40 remove backgrounds over here monthly. Now this is for yearly, which saves you 50%, but for monthly, it's going to change. As you can see here, it's going to be $30 for the business and $60 for the unlimited. And if you would like to export and like use this application fully, you're going to have to upgrade it before you can export and use this with all of its features. Now we could go back to home over here by clicking this, and you could also try out the AI text to image, the stock video over here, and like you could also edit your project once again by clicking this. You could also delete this if you would like by clicking the three dots and then click on edit, and you will be able to return in this section, and then you could delete that by clicking this delete section over here by deleting everything that you have over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Invideo.io. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.